Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is an amazing PowerPoint template slide design and let me show you how to make this, but first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So open up PowerPoint and insert your image, add a triangle over here and you're gonna adjust it, rotate it like this and you're gonna put it onto the slide right here and into the middle. Let's decrease its size and adjust it into the slide. We're gonna increase its length a little bit onto the left side. There you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is select the image. Now I'm gonna adjust that as well onto the slide. Let's select this triangle and we're gonna adjust it too. Go to Insert tab and Shapes and add rectangles right here. This is gonna be a circle and go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle. There you go. Decrease its width and you're gonna place it right here in between this triangle that it comes onto this triangle. Duplicate that and put it within sub distance, and there you go. You're gonna be sure to put equal distances between those rectangles. And there you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is select all of the shapes, go to merge shape and merge these. Let's remove the unwanted parts, select all of them and click backspace and they'll get removed. Now go to shapes and add a rectangle right here. What you're gonna do is right click on it and send it to the back, and you're gonna select the image and send it to the back. And there you go, select the shapes and you're gonna select the image and then you're gonna merge them. And let's remove these unwanted parts of this image and we're gonna move the shape a little bit forward, and there you go. Now what you're gonna do is select this rectangle and you're gonna send it to the back, and you're gonna select the picture and send it to the back as well. Go to format shape and select the rectangle and give it some color. I'm gonna use black and you're gonna increase its transparency. There you go. Let's increase its transparency a little bit and add your content text. Go to Insert tab and Shapes, and right here you're gonna add a rectangle with rounded corners onto your title, and there you go. Now what you're gonna do is select the rectangle and both the shape, and you're gonna merge them. Select the rectangle and remove its fill. There you go. That looks amazing. So that was all you had to do. Now the next thing you're gonna do is give animations. I'm giving the following animations and the timing. Be sure to follow the timing and don't skip any step or your PowerPoint won't come out to be the same as mine. And there you go. Let's select the shapes and give them animation as well. And let's select the text now. We're gonna give them animations too. There you go. So that was all you had to do in this video. I hope that you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and stuff like this. And this is the final result, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion. meet you in another amazing video with more fun content and interesting stuff.